This website provides you with virtually endless income potential. Underneath that, you can see that it is completely free to join up. The platform you've just seen is the website that we're going to be using so you can get paid. Not only will I guide you through the entire process step by step, but I will also teach you how to set this up on autopilot to generate money over and over again while you do nothing. So make sure to keep watching this whole thing. With everything out of the way, before we move on to today's video, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for getting notifications once I upload a new video like this one. Let's get started on this tutorial. Today, I've got a very interesting method to make money for you. This strategy revolves around a website called gearbest.com. This is the website you would have all seen in that intro prior. What this basically is, for those of you who don't know, is a platform very similar to Amazon.com. You can come on here and then buy anything you want to. As you can see on the left hand side here, their products range from cell phones and accessories to computers to products about health and so on. With that being said though, since we're not here to buy anything at all and you instead want to make money with this website, I won't cover what products you can buy. So let's get to the point. Once you come onto this website, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then you want to click on the affiliate program right over here. The reason you want to do that is so you can promote this website as an affiliate. This website is great for beginner affiliates to start things off. As you can see, they offer 50% commissions. That is not only insane for any website out there, it's especially insane when you compare this platform to Amazon. If you go over to Amazon's affiliate program, you can see that they offer commissions that are no higher than 10%. In fact, most cases are less than 10%. As you can see, it also depends on what you're promoting. The point being that GearBest has an insane affiliate program. And the reason they are willing to pay affiliates this much, I would bet, is because they're not as popular as they would like to be. They are willing to give away 50% of their profits made from affiliates if you can get traffic to them. Another great thing about this website that's important to highlight is the fact that it does work worldwide. So most countries are indeed accepted, similar to Amazon. With that said, it's worth covering really quick how the affiliate program on this site works. You won't be promoting this website as a whole like normally is the case. Instead, you'll be able to grab the affiliate links to specific products, for example, some smartphone or computer. You will then share the affiliate link that will take people to that specific product. When you get a purchase, you'll get paid 50% of the product sales price. This is important to mention because it means that your profit per customer will range depending on what item you're promoting. And what makes GearBest so awesome is that the sheer amount of products that you can choose from to promote. As you can see, there are over 100,000, so you'll have no shortage of products to choose from. And thanks to a traffic tool that I'm going to be showing you later on, you'll be able to make big money online without doing anything at all once this is all set up. So be sure to stick around. Anyway, what I need you to do now is sign up for this site's affiliate program. To do so, first click on join. On the following page, they'll ask you to type in your email address and passwords. From here, you'll need to proceed to enter in more information about yourself, such as payment information, where you're from, and stuff like that. Once you create your new account on this website, it's finally time for you to choose a product that you want to promote. As I said before, you can literally choose anything you want, but you do want to have a criteria as well. The first important thing about a product that you're promoting should be how many people would want to buy it. You want to make sure that what you're promoting, a lot of people actually want to purchase so you can get clicks onto your affiliate link. After all, no matter how good the product looks, if nobody wants to purchase it, you won't get anywhere promoting it. The second important thing that you need to focus on would be the product's price. If what you're promoting is a bit more expensive than similar products, then you will want to find something else that's slightly cheaper. If you're promoting a smartphone, for example, that's much more expensive than other phones. The chances of you getting many purchases decreases substantially. Lastly, the affiliate commission is important too. As you heard prior, some products are willing to pay up to 50% commissions if you get traffic to them, but that doesn't mean everything you're promoting will get you that much money. So be sure to find products that have decent commissions, no less than 30%, and then you can promote those. To summarize, you want to look for products that people want to buy that are not too expensive, that won't deter people away, and that are also not too cheap, so you can actually make some sort of money promoting them. And as well as that, you also want a good affiliate commission. Once you've then ticked off all of those, you then need to head to a website called gibo.com. What this basically is a website where you can find products that you might want to purchase. It's extremely useful if you're looking to buy a computer, for example, but if you want to try and find the cheapest one. And so what you would do, instead of going to multiple websites and checking the prices, is you would come here and search for it. You'll then be able to find the cheapest one a lot quicker. More importantly, for this method, on here you can also advertise a product. As well as that, this method is so good as you don't need to invest a single dime to advertise whatever you want on this website. This is exactly why you want to use it. You can also see on SimilarWeb that this site has nearly got 600,000 visits in the past month. And the number of visits has risen since December of last year. So this platform is actually growing more popular each and every month. What you want to do is then when you come on here so you can advertise the product from GearBest and get paid in passive income, is just click on post here, then click on merchandise, and you'll then fill out the information about the product you're about to promote. Just open up the product on GearBest and basically copy and paste all that information that you need onto the other website. Once you've then filled out all that information, you just need to add your email address down here. When someone then contacts you via email, you'll simply send them your affiliate link to the said product you got over on GearBest, and chances are you'll then get a purchase and make money literally doing no work at all. From here to then make as much money as you possibly want, I highly recommend promoting multiple products and just see which ones get the most purchases and focus on those while excluding the ones that don't get you paid. If you've liked this video and got value out of it, then support my channel by leaving a thumbs up below. Also, check out some of the other videos that are going to pop up on the screen in a second. Since new videos are uploaded frequently on my channel, you should subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up.